I was recently gifted this great magnetic compact work light. Has several different modes and it's also dimmable. So let me show you first what you get in the package and how it all works. So first of all, you get three things coming right out of the compact package. Obviously you get the light itself. I just turned it off. You'll notice it has a nice little place to hook, as well as you can move it and adjust it to be able to lean on any place. So that is a great feature. You also get a set of instructions, very easy to follow, and you get a charging cord. So this is rechargeable. And so what I like about the recharging is it gives you the data you need. So let me show you what that's like on the recharging side. So when you do have to recharge, you'll see there's a very easily understood spot, USB-C, to be able to plug it in. So we plug it in there. And you know, sometimes you don't know whether it's charging or not. That is not the case here because you know very clearly that it is charging. So you can see it saying, yep, it is definitely charging on up. Easy. Once you get that, the way you operate it is it has 5 different lighting modes. So let me show you what those are. So turn it on. Okay, that is bright white. That's yellow. That is white plus yellow. That's red. And that is strobe. So you have all those 5 things. You just hit the button 1 or 2 times. Very easy to understand. Now, what's super cool about this is as you go into this, if you want to dim it, all you have to do is when you're in that mode, press it down, and you'll see that it starts to dim down right there. And then if I want to crank it back up again, I can hold it down and it'll crank right back up again. So very easy to use. I have already used this to fix something under the sink. It was really needed because I could put it down on the ground, right under the sink, and it flashed right up. Now the other nice thing are those magnets on the back side. So with those magnets, if you have anything metal, like you're working on your car, you have the hood or something like that, it just magically attaches. And so you're able to use it wherever you want. And just literally the magnets right there fit nicely. You can move it around however you want. And again, adjust it, hang it from something. It does have a little screw thread in there as well. It is super duper handy. So if you're looking for a work light that is very compact, and again, look how it just folds right up. Very easy, compact, something great to have in your car, or something that's great to just have around the house. I've already used it several times. It also does come with a hanging hook right there, so you can easily hang it from something if you want. It is very versatile, very sturdy, and very strong, powerful light that can be used for photography or anything else that you'd like. It's a very bright light. So if you're looking for something that is very compact, easy to use, 5 different modes, and it's also dimmable, I highly recommend.